Enterprises strive to develop and gain advantages in the growth of the global economy. But workforce performance is not ready for that. Training 4.0. We unleash your employees' maximum potentials through specific solutions. Productivity Effectiveness Solution, improving work's performance. Pro Productive Manager. Pro Effective Manager. Pro Change Resilience Manager. Pro Manager 4.0. Pro Customer Experience. Leadership Solution, unleash leadership potentials. Future Leadership Program. Pro Leadership Habits. Pro Leadership Bootcamp. Pro Performance Manager. Pro Culture Builder. Digital Business Culture Solution for perfect employee experiences. Pro Culture Architect. Pro HR Business Partner. Pro Good to Great HR Leader. Pro HR Strategy. Pro Employee Experience. Pro Human Resources Solutions, achieve professionals HR. Pro HR 4.0. Pro Employer Brand. Pro Recruitment and Interview Skill 4.0. Made by total 100 trainers, 75 consultants, with 1,000-year experiences. The positive feedback proves that we actually helped more people than that. Let's have a talk for discovering you're the most suitable solution. Our work makes companies more productive, effective, and more profitable.